Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to stop by like really quick. I got one of the chains in that I ordered for the necklaces. It's 33 feet link chain. It's actually really pretty. It's exactly what it looked like online. And let me take some off. When you look at it, it's really small, like the holes, the jump rings that link together, they're really small. They are smaller than what I thought they were, but it's still pretty. Like it's real pretty. And let's see if you can see that. And then I did put some of the necklaces together. So what I did do is, because I do have a lot of these frost beads left, I did make some necklaces like these, and I used wood beads with the with that vegan suede. So I made wood bead. I used wood beads. I wrapped them with the wire, and then I used the vegan suede for the cord. I'll link that video up here somewhere. But in this case, I used the glass frost beads, and then wrap these with the gold wire, and then I'm using the new wire. I'm not wire, but the new chain. And I really like the way they look. Now these right here are the bigger chain. The chain is just a little bit bigger than the chain I got today. I think they look really pretty. I mean, they look really, really nice. So because I do have a lot of these beads, those glass frost beads, 8 millimeter, I now have a lot of this, chain. I am going to order some more of this. It takes a little bit to put the jump rings on it because the hole is so small. But, you know, once I get it on, I'm kind of doubling it on the end. So I like the way they look. And then there is, they do come with some of these lobster clasp, the smaller ones. So they come with these little bitty ones. And these are real teeny too. But remember, I'm making all these necklaces for this particular platform where I'm just kind of testing some things out, putting some product on it. And it will be just only necklaces. And I'm going to be selling all the necklaces in cases of 12. And I do want them to look nice, you know, like high quality, made with less expensive supplies. However, I do want them to look really nice. I want them to look really nice. And these came out like really good. I really like the way these came out. They're really pretty. In fact, I like these better than the wood beads that I made, the necklaces that I made with the wood beads. So I like these a lot better. I don't know if it's because it's the beads, the color, all the gold, what it is, but these are really pretty. So I really like these. And I am going to sit here and make a whole lot more of these. I have a 3-day weekend coming up. So my plan is, is to make as many of these as I possibly can over the weekend because I have so many of these beads left. Got a lot of wire, stocked up on wire. I am going to buy some more of this chain. I got some other chain coming in. I just ordered some silver wire, silver color wire, and some the silver, what's these things called? Ball metal chain. So I got that stuff coming in too. So I plan to be busy for the weekend, and then I'll need to get busy working on some other stuff too. But this is what I'm working on. So these are some more necklaces for that website. I like the way these look. But anyway, Darling Knife for Jewelry by BDK. All the new subscribers, wanted to thank you for hanging out with us here in the Jewelry by BDK YouTube community. And I hope you continue to stay inspired. You continue to stay motivated. Whatever it is that you see here, I hope it, helps you to keep moving and to keep grooving, and to keep doing whatever it is that you want to do as it relates to creating. A lot of you guys do tell me that, hey, Darlene, I'm back on creating. I'm inspired and motivated. And I say that's good stuff. You know, that's good stuff. whatever it is that you saw that made you subscribe, that's good stuff. I hope you keep seeing more of it. Stay inspired, stay encouraged, keep creating, and then, do what you can with it. Don't just sit on it, do what you can with it. Go to shows, go vend, find ways in order to market your product and sell your product, especially if it's high quality. Especially if it's high quality and it's really nice product. Don't just sit on it. Find ways to market and sell it. And now is the time to get out there moving around. I know I was reading earlier and they're talking about wanting to put people back on lockdown because of COVID. I hear that COVID cases are up again and they're wanting to start locking us down again come October. And I'm like, this is like crazy. And that's why I keep saying, this is not going to end. They're going to keep doing this and keep testing us just like how children do. Children test us to see how far they can go with this and how much they can get away with. That's all society is doing. They testing us and pushing us to see how far we're going to keep doing all this madness. But anyway, my whole thing is technology. Get used to technology, get familiar with technology, and chances are you won't go wrong. But anyway, Darling Knight for Jerry by BDK. And guess what, folks? We'll talk.